Hi there, welcome back to Moz Academy. In this lesson, we'll be discussing accessibility, specifically the title tags. Now, a title tag is an HTML element that specifies the title of a web page. Titles are displayed on the search engine results page as the clickable headline for a given result and are very important for user experience, for ranking, click-through, and even social sharing. So you can see what a title tag looks like here on the screen. It's enclosed in those title tags in HTML. You may also see a field in your content management system labeled page title or title tag. Now, because title tags are such an important part of both SEO and user experience, writing effective title tags is a really great low effort but high impact SEO task. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure that you give every page a unique title. When every page has a unique title, that really helps search engines understand how your content is organized and helps them understand that your content is unique and valuable and can also drive higher click-through rates. You'll want to optimize for your targeted search terms by including the keyword in the title tag, but don't stuff your title with keyword spam, such as like slight variations of the keyword listed multiple times. You'll also want to watch the length of your title. If you keep your titles under 60 characters, research suggests that you can expect about 90% of your title to display properly. Anything beyond 60 characters will result in truncation on the search engine results page, which won't necessarily hurt your rankings, but it won't complete the page title thought and may not be optimal for user experience and trying to get your audience to click through. You'll also want to remember that the page title is what shows up on the search engine results page when your audience searches a keyword. So in this example, I searched how much do dental implants cost, and this is what the search engine results page looks like. Now, everything in blue text, these are the title tags or the page titles. And so you'll want to think of these page titles as a sales pitch to win the click. A high ranking doesn't always necessarily mean a click, but if you can offer a sales pitch or a value proposition, it's a great way to offer a taste of what your audience member will experience once they click through to the page. So if we look at a few of these, we can kind of compare and contrast. Again, the keyword is how much do dental implants cost? This very first result, the page title, is how much do dental implants cost? FAQs for implant dentistry. So I know as an audience member, if I click into this page, I'm most likely going to get my question answered. The second one is dental implant cost. So it starts off with the keyword and then what should you expect? And then the brand name here at the end. So this is great because it starts off with the keyword and then asks about the same question I was asking in my keyword. What do dental implants cost? Another great keyword use, as well as letting me know as an audience member that I'm going to get my question answered. Now here we see a few more. This fourth result just says dental implants and Aspen Dental, the brand name. So this really doesn't tell me much about the page. It's a little bit boring. It includes the brand, which might mean something to me if I recognize that brand, but it certainly doesn't use any keywords such as cost or price or anything like that. This fifth result says FAQ, Dental Implant Center. Again, FAQ is a little bit boring and generic, and then it includes the brand name. These two page titles really aren't enough in such a competitive environment. And so sometimes looking at who is ranking for your targeted keyword, maybe taking a look at their page titles can give you some ideas of the value propositions that are being offered and what you can do to compete in that environment. So allow your title tag to offer value propositions, ask or answer questions, maybe even alleviate some fears. So those are page title tags. Thank you.